Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you a yummy and sweet cookie recipe that I made with my mum.
Assalamu alaikum and hello friends.
And it was really fun to make. And make sure to subscribe to our channel. So we're gonna have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. Half teaspoon of salt. Mix the dry ingredients together. In a bowl, add 16 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add light brown sugar, and you can see how much on the text on the screen. And add granulated sugar, again how much is on the screen. Scan them together. This took a while to whisk. Well, not that long, but it does take some time to whisk the ingredients together. And as you can see, the camera was moving a lot. It was difficult for me to hold the whisking machine, so my mum helped me. And as you can see, we're going fast, fast, fast. Now, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Okay, now Inaya is trying to crack an egg.
It didn't end up so good, but it was okay, I guess.
We're gonna whisk 1 egg and then we're gonna add another egg and then we're gonna whisk it again.
Do you find it hard cracking eggs? My mum did it perfectly. I don't know how she does it. She probably has magic skills. As you can see, I'm adding flour.
Yeah. It's not like this.
Oh.
It's like someone else is stitching a hook and then they have that. Everything's better.
So now we have to mix together flour and the butter mix.
I think the batter is ready, isn't it, Mum?
Yes.
So
Now we have to add chocolate chips in it. Yeah, Inaya is doing it.
yeah, and I ate one of the chocolate chips. It's so yummy.
So now we have to make the cookies.
Yeah, so we're gonna put them in a little blob, and as you can see how much You should put
So 1 cookie should be equal to 2
two tablespoons.
Yeah.
It's quite hard to get them perfect, and they won't look like the normal yummy cookies you see at the bakery, but it will look even delicious when it's done being in the oven. And as you can see, put them in oven temperature, and yeah. These are them in the oven.
And cookies are done.
Yay! I'm trying these cookies here, and they are so delicious. These cookies are really yummy, and I think you should try this recipe.
So our cookies are done.
Yeah.
If you like our videos,
Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, and keep watching.
Keep watching our videos.